this recipe need flour, sugar, salt and yeast. Put everything in the flour and mix everything. Then you're gonna add some cold water and then mix again. Then put everything in the counter. Add some olive oil. Then knead your dough till it's gonna be smooth. After you're done kneading the dough, it's gonna be a little sticky, but it's okay, we can use flour later. Now you're gonna cut into the 6 pieces. Now you're gonna roll it to the ball form. Then you put it in the plate and sprinkle a little bit olive oil. Cover it with a plastic. Then put in refrigerator 2 to 2 hours to overnight. If you have time, you can put overnight. If you're not, then 2 hours will be enough. Okay, that's how my dough is gonna look like. And I don't left my dough for 2 hours. I left my dough for overnight in the refrigerator. Now what you're gonna do, you're gonna take one of these and preheat your oven for 400 and put the bake sheet there. And then you preheat with bake sheet 400 for 20 to 25 minutes. Now what you're gonna do, you take the dough and you're gonna roll it. Make sure you put the flour here so it don't stick. And you gotta roll it. So after you're done rolling, it's gonna look like this, real thin. Now what you're gonna do, you take the bake sheet from the oven, like this, turn around, and then you're gonna put your dough right here. And I have here garlic and olive oil. I'm gonna do like this. Then we're gonna put some basilicum or some rosemary. You can put some salt. And you're gonna put this back to the oven for 5 to 10 minutes, but you're gonna see it's gonna be crispy and brown. So after 5 minutes, it's gonna look like this. And I put in the broil a little bit for a couple minutes, or maybe like 2. So it's gonna look like this. So crispy, thin. Now you're gonna do this with all the dough like this. Roll, put olive oil, garlic, rosemary, basilicum, and salt. So after it's done, it's gonna look like this. Crispy. Oh, it's hot. You can put tomatoes, some thyme, and enjoy. If you like my video, please subscribe and share.